Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 350 mm Hg to ATM. Correct answer is to convert 350 mm Hg to ATM we can use the conversion factor that relates millimeters of mercury mm Hg to atmosphere ATM. This conversion factor is 1 ATM equals 760 mm Hg. Therefore, to convert 350 mm Hg to ATM, we divide 350 by 760. 350 mm Hg divided 760 mm Hg by ATM equals 0.4605 ATM. So 350 mm Hg is equivalent to 0.4605 ATM.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.